Most gardeners never realize how much profit they leave on the table the moment they walk into a nursery. The highest margin crops are rarely sold as seedlings for one simple reason. If everyone grew them from seed, plant starts would lose their value overnight. The real profits begin where seed packets end. When you understand which crops multiply value fast, grow cheaply, and sell consistently, gardening stops being a hobby and starts becoming leverage. This is exactly the kind of quiet advantage nature's blueprint exists to reveal. So let's get straight into it. Why growing from seed is where the real money starts. Seeds give you control. Control over variety, timing, scale, and cost. A single packet can produce hundreds of plants for the price of one nursery start. More importantly, seed-grown crops allow you to grow varieties that stores never stock because they are too fast, too fragile, or too specialized for mass retail. Microgreens that turn days into income. Microgreens are one of the fastest profit cycles in gardening. From seed to harvest in 7 to 21 days, they deliver extremely high value per square meter. Crops like radish, pea shoots, sunflower, mustard, and broccoli microgreens sell for premium prices because of their flavor and nutrition. They require minimal space, no soil depth, and can be grown year-round indoors. The key advantage is repeatability. Specialty salad greens nurseries never push. Loose-leaf lettuces, arugula, mizuna, tatsoi, and endive grown from seed outperform head lettuce financially. They grow fast, tolerate partial harvest, and regenerate multiple times. Instead of selling a single plant once, you sell the same plant repeatedly. Herbs that, really explode in value when they're grown small and fresh. Basil, cilantro, dill, parsley, and chives, when grown from seed, outperform transplants both in cost and quality. Fresh herbs sell consistently because they solve a daily problem. People rarely need large quantities, but they need them often. That frequency is what creates steady income. Medicinal plants buyers are actively searching for calendula, chamomile, lemon balm, echinacea, and holy basil are rarely sold as nursery plants, yet demand for them just keeps rising. Climbing crops multiply yield vertically. Pole beans, yard-long beans, and climbing peas grown from seed dramatically outperform bush varieties financially. Vertical growth means more production per square meter with easier harvesting. These crops are often overlooked because they require trellising, but that structure increases output without expanding land use. Root crops, when harvested young, can fetch premium prices. Carrots, beets, turnips, and radishes grown from seed and harvested young. Well, they sell faster than their mature versions. Cut-and-come-back greens just never stop producing. Swiss chard, perpetual spinach, sorrel, and mustard greens grown from seed deliver exceptional returns because they keep producing after harvest. There's a real seed starting cost advantage that compounds fast. A single seed packet costing just a few dollars can replace hundreds of dollars in nursery plants over a season. Here's a simple growth booster that accelerates seed crops to speed early growth and root development. Use a microbial starter solution after germination. Mix 10 liters of non-chlorinated water with 1 tablespoon of unsulfured molasses and 1 cup of compost or worm castings. Water gently at the base of seedlings once they develop their first true leaves. So, why don't nurseries talk about these crops? Well, nurseries profit from uniform, slow-growing, visually appealing plants that survive transport. Profitable seed crops, on the other hand, prioritize speed, regeneration, and flavor. Those traits don't really translate well to retail shelves, but perform exceptionally in real gardens. When you grow from seed, you bypass the retail bottleneck and grow what actually sells. Turning seeds into systems instead of one-time harvests is key. The most profitable growers don't chase novelty. They build systems. Succession planting, staggered harvests, and crop rotation turn seed-grown crops into predictable income streams. This approach works at any scale, whether you're gardening on a balcony in a backyard or running a full market garden. If this guide opened your eyes to what nurseries never explain, subscribe to Nature's Blueprint, share this with a gardener who wants more from their seeds, and help spread systems that reward knowledge, not marketing.